very happy feeling what I have inside my heart, but it's little bit difficult also because I feel like they will grown up very soon and they will start working also, and they'll get married also. If my children, both children will get job very far, I will go with them. So I think like that, but I don't know what will happen in future. What? Simply roti sabji you have to carry.
No.
Yes. What did mama pack in your tiffin box, lunch box?
Mango. Roti sabji.
Oh wow. Do you like your teacher or not?
Like.
Like? Why don't you play with him?
मैंने टूटे फूटे पार्क में खेला था.
टूटा फूटा पार्क. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, आज है special day because today my Gunu's first day of school. He's going to the school for the very first time in KB school. So I'm making vlog for him. Where are you going?
School.
Guys, you can see the excitement level and the happiness on his face. He's really very happy go to the same school for the very first time. First time जा रहे हो?
हाँ.
So guys, we are sitting in the park. We are taking rest for a few minutes because now 10 minutes are left to go to school. So that's why we came here to take rest. Gunu and I, we both are sitting here on the bench. We'll go after some time. So guys, this is Gunu's first day of school in my husband's school. So my both son will go together in the same school. But now timing is different, so that's why I need to drop him in the school. So guys, this is a park where I used to come in every evening. But now I don't have time to come here because nowadays I'm busy with my work now. So that's why I don't get time in evening. So I thought like I should come here in every morning. So yeah, because when I come here na, so I feel fresh, I get fresh air, and I love this park because there are lots of like many trees over there, so that's why I love this park. And Gunu, no. So that's why I'm taking the vibes of this park. Gunu, would you like to say something? Where are you going?
Very bad.
Where are you going? You're going to the school for the very first time?
No.
No? You are sitting over here?
Yes.
So where we have to go after some time? To the school? No. Where will you go? Guys, he can understand but he doesn't know how to reply in English. So that's why he's like moving his hand only. I took bath and now it's 8:15. So 8:30 we have to reach there to the school. So that's why we are sitting. All people are taking walk, but we are sitting here because I love to sit here. Hey. So guys, see you after reaching the school. So guys, do you love cuckoo sound? I really love it. When I used to live in Chhattisgarh na, so I used to make cuckoo sound in every morning, and now my son is making cuckoo sound and I really love it. Going to the school after 1.5 months because he used to go in a different school, but now he's going to start in the same school where my elder son goes. You know, previous month I used to think like when he will start going to the school, and I was fed up with him because he used to disturb me every time. So that's why I used to think like when he will start going to the school. So now he's going to the school finally, but I'm not feeling good why he's going to the school because nothing. I'm feeling like I will stay alone at home and I will not feel good. So that's why sometimes I feel bad, sometimes I feel happy like he's going, he will not disturb me anymore while teaching. So when I start teaching now, he's like, Mama, I am feeling hungry, I need this thing, I need that. So sometimes he make me irritate. So now he will not do this thing, but yeah, I will miss him a lot because like after some time now, he'll start going regularly. So he's going for 2 or 3 days now. After 13. Summer holidays will be started in his school, so that's why he's going for the 2 or 3 days, and then he will be there for 2 months. And but yeah, it's good, and we both will miss, na? So guys, we'll catch you after reaching to the school. See you.
Guys, I would like to tell you one thing. Today is 8th of May and I have decided to join yoga classes. One of uncle, he teaches yoga in this park in every morning. So I have decided I will also join him and I will start learning, because in corona time I used to do and I was so fit, slim, but now I look like Benji. So I don't look good, but I have decided to join him and definitely from tomorrow I will do this.
I'll make your video. You are running slowly. Run fast, Gunu. No, no. We have to go there. This side, this side. So we are getting late, Gunu. So guys, we came out from the park and we are going to the school now because only 5 minutes are left. So we have to reach there at 8:30.
Finally, we have reached in my husband's school and look at his face. He's very happy and excited to go into his class. But guys, I really don't know where I have to go because I don't know where his class. But my husband was saying, I'm coming to get you into the classroom, and next day I will not call him to ask about the class, where it's his class, because I don't come in his school. You know why? Because my husband is a teacher here in the same school. So that's why I don't come to attend the PTM also. So that's why I need to ask. And now my husband was saying, Gunu, don't beat any kids, because my son is really very naughty person. He's very naughty person. So I don't know how he will behave in the class. He's very naughty.
Say good morning. Bye.
So guys, finally I dropped him into his class and she is his class teacher and she is really very supportive and very caring. So now I'm tension free.
So guys, finally I dropped him into his class and my husband also came to take him. So now I'm free to do my work freely, because there will be no one to disturb me, because when he's at home now, he disturbs me a lot. Sometimes he likes, I'm hungry. Like many times he says, Mama, I'm hungry, Mama, I'm hungry. So it's very difficult sometimes to manage to take my classes to teach online. But now it will be easy to teach my students. Very happy feeling what I have inside my heart. But it's little bit difficult also, because I feel like they will grown up very soon and they will start working also, and they'll get married also. And it's like my mother-in-law, my father and my mother-in-law, they both live alone at home na. It's like them, we also have to live like them. I don't want to live like them, because it is very difficult na. He has only one son, my husband has only one son, and they live alone because of my husband's job, and they don't want to come with us because they don't want to live in the flats. So it's very difficult to call them to us, but somehow we are managing and they are also managing. But I don't want to manage. I don't want to manage, because if my children, both children will get job very far, I will go with them. So I think like that, but I don't know what will happen in future. But I'm thinking like that. So I'm taking walk to go home, because it is good for my health also. Now after a long time I'm taking walk, and I used to miss this part, you know, but now because of my child I will take walk every day. So thank God I'm coming out from my home and I'm taking walk. I'm walking on the road, so I feel the nature also. And when I come outside from the home now, I feel very happy, you know. I don't tell you how much I feel happy, because I love this road, you know. There are many trees, that's why I love this part. So guys, I hope you will like this video.
So guys, it's 7 o'clock in the evening and now my both children are taking bath, because in every summer they love to take bath in the evening. So they are taking bath, and after taking bath I will ask to Gunu what did he do in the school. So my husband was saying he was doing lots of masti and he was
disturbing him, my husband, and he was disturbing my husband also. In physics lab, he was destroying everything, you know. He was touching everything, every single piece he was touching, and he was touching them, he was playing with them. So my husband was saying it is very difficult to like make him understand. He doesn't understand anything. He was saying, you know, don't do this. He was not like getting seriously anything. And my husband took him in the staff room. So what did he do? He started like checking all the copies and all the forms, student forms and photos also. So he was like pulling out the photos from the forms. So my husband was saying like he was making me disturb every time in the school. So it's very difficult because his school overs around 11:30. So I can't go to take him because at that time I'm busy with my classes. So I can't go to take him. So every day I can't go to take him. So that's why it will be very difficult to take him from the school. So he will come with his father because my elder son also comes from school with his father. So he will also come with them. So that's why, and after taking bath I will ask the questions to Gunnu, then he will tell the experience if he wants, because if I ask something in English na, he doesn't want to say anything. So that's why it will be difficult, but I will try to ask. Okay guys, see you after some time. So guys, he is here, he took bath and now he is free to explain what did he do in school. So tell me, what did you do in school?
I carry.
Try. Very good, very good. What did you do in school?
No.
What did you do in school? आपने क्या किया स्कूल में?
स्कूल में
Try to speak in English ना.
नहीं.
Try to speak ना, please.
नहीं.
I enjoyed.
स्कूल में किया था. मैंने पहले पूजा की थी, उसके बाद एक्सरसाइज की थी, फिर मैंने उसके बाद लंच किया था, फिर उसके बाद खेलने चले गए. हाँ.
What else?
फिर मैंने कुछ खाया था. हाँ.
What did you eat?
भैया ने हम पापा दिखा दिया.
What about lunch box? What about your lunch box?
टॉफी वाली क्यों निकाली ना? मैंने लगा.
अच्छा, तो पहले let me shoot vlog. Okay. What about your lunch box? What did Mama pack? What did Mama pack in your tiffin box, lunch box?
Mango. Roti sabji.
Oh wow! Did you like it or not?
Yes.
Yes. So what will you take tomorrow? What will you carry tomorrow in your lunch box?
डैडी से लेके जाएंगे, वो ले जाऊंगा.
What? Simply roti sabji you have to carry.
नहीं.
Yes.
नहीं.
So what? What do you want to take?
भिंडी की सब्जी रख दिया.
Oh wow! Yes, I will definitely pack it. Okay, so tell me, how is your ma'am?
मम्मा.
Did you like a ma'am or not? Tell me na. Tell me no. Yes. Okay.
मम्मा, डैडी का स्कूल में बहुत गंदा एक तो बहुत घंटे बैठना पड़ता है.
तो स्कूल में तो ऐसा ही होता है, बैठना ही पड़ता है. You have to sit there for 6 now for 3 hours you have to sit there.
कौन सी लैंग्वेज में बोल रहे हो?
Now I'm speaking in English. Okay, tell me one thing.
इंग्लिश को भी.
Sit. Okay, now tell me. Okay, Gunu, tell me. How is your ma'am, teacher? How is your class teacher?
हाँ.
Do you like her or not? Do you like your teacher or not? Like? Why?
क्योंकि टीचर एक बच्चा स्कूल में लो लेते हैं, उसको मारने जाता ही नहीं.
हाँ. She is such a nice person.
कान खराब कर दिया मर.
किसने, मैम ने या मैंने?
नहीं, छोटे बच्चे.
अच्छा, रो कर उसने कान खराब कर दिए. Why he was crying?
उसके आँखों में से काजल निकल गए थे.
Why he was crying?
पापा चाहिए.
हाँ? पापा what?
उसको घर पे जाना है.
Oh, he wanted to go back.
रोते ही रहे, कभी आंसू नहीं पोंछे. थोड़ी देर में आए थे दूसरे मैम.
Why didn't you play with him?
मैंने टूटे फूटे पार्क में खेला था.
टूटा फूटा पार्क?
वहाँ पे तो पूरी क्लास खड़ी हो गई. टूटे फूटे पार्क में आ गए तो मैं कहाँ खेलूंगा?
टूटा फूटा पार्क कैसे? टूटा फूटा पार्क मतलब?
वहाँ पे सारे झूले टूटे थे.
सच्ची में झूले टूटे हैं क्या वहाँ के? हाँ?
टूटे हुए झूले हैं।
हाँ पापा एक भी झूला नहीं मिला।
कल अपनी टीचर से बोलना, ओके? कल अपनी टीचर से कंप्लेन करना, सारे झूलों को रिपेयर करवा दो। ओके चलो, ओके okay guys, he was saying like I didn't like the school because of like a playground. He didn't like the playground, but he liked the teacher. So this is the best thing. Like he would go school tomorrow. He liked his teacher, so he will go tomorrow also. And yeah, that was my day. Like how did I spend my day with my kid, with my younger son. So this is my vlog, and do like, share. If you really like this video, do like, share, and please subscribe to the channel. See you in next one.